Your Crosstrek Outback or Forester may be equipped with something called X Mode, and it's a really powerful feature, but we want to make sure that you know how to use it. The best way to think about X Mode, and this is not true in any way, shape, or form, but you'd use it in the same times that you might use four-wheel drive low. What it's for is low speed, low traction. 0 to about 18 miles an hour. At 19, it's going to shut itself off automatically so that nothing gets damaged. Below that speed, however, it does a number of things. It changes the transmission to a low range mode. It adjusts the sensitivity of the gas pedal so you don't give it too much gas, limits the amount of torque that can go to the wheels. There's a number of things going on. Needless to say that it does all of this for you automatically. It's great in deep snow and mud, but where it shines is coming down slippery hills. If you're coming down an icy hill or driveway and you're worried about riding your brakes or fishtailing or losing control, tap X Mode, it'll take you down at one steady speed without ever touching your gas or your brakes. Then when you reach the bottom of the hill and you hit the main road where it's clear, you drive away normally. When you hit 19 miles an hour, it shuts itself off automatically.